Salwete, we are doing lines 608 to 612, the first part of 612 in this video. Venus is showing Aeneas a little tour of Troy being destroyed with his eyes unveiled so he can see that the gods are aiding in Troy's destruction. So let's see some of the details here. Hic ubi disiectas molles alvulsaque saxis saxa vides, mixto cundantem pulvere fumam, Neptunus muros magnoque mota tridenti, fundamenta quatit, totam qua sedibus urbem, eruit, hic unos Gaias aevissima portas. We'll do this part in the next video. Here, this is hic with a long I, here, where you see disiectas moles, scattered heaps or masses, and rocks torn from rocks. So let's do that. Let's mark it up. Here, where tu vides, that's the verb, tu is the subject, Aeneas, where you see disiectas moles, scattered masses, and avulsas saxa, rocks torn, those go together, saxis, from rocks. So this is an ablative with ab. And you got a little naphora going on there. Oh, saxis, saxa. Very nice. Rocks from rocks. Mixto cundantem pulvere fumam. And undantem, rolling smoke. Undulating smoke, you see. These are accusatives. Mixto pulvere, with dust mixed. So pulvere is dust mixed. Far identifies this as an ablative absolute. Another edition I looked at says it's an instrumental ablative. So at the end of the day, it's an ablative. So it tells us how this smoke was rolling. It was rolling with dust mixed in. Okay, so one more time. Here, where you see, that's my daughter waking up a little bit, where you see scattered masses and rocks torn from rocks, and rolling smoke with dust mixed in, with dust mixed, having been mixed. This is a perfect passive participle, right? Disiectas, also a perfect passive participle. Vides is a present tense. Let's continue at this part. Neptunus muros magnoque mota tridenti, fundamenta quatit, totam qua sedibus urbem eruit. Neptunus, your subject, quatit, shakes, the muros, the walls, que, and the fundamenta, and the foundations, emota, having removed or moved away. And how did he move them? Magno tridenti, moved with his huge trident. So that emota modifies fundamenta, but really he's moving the foundations with his huge trident. And you can also take the emota with muros. He's moving the walls with his huge trident also. It properly, grammatically, goes with fundamenta, not with muros, but we take it in the same sense with muros. He's moving both foundations and walls with his huge trident. This is a perfect passive participle. Foundations having been moved with his huge trident. And this last part, and he eruit, overthrows, this is our verb, he overthrows, eruit, the totam urbem, the whole city, asedibus, ablative, from its seats or its foundations. He overturns the whole city from its lowest points. It's sedibus, where it sits. So I guess foundations, you could say, are literally seats. One more time that part. Neptune shakes the walls and the foundations, having been moved with his great trident, and he overthrows the whole city from its seats or its footings, its foundations. Why is Neptune helping in the destruction of Troy? I read a note in an edition that he helped build the walls with Apollo for Priam's father Laomedon, and was not properly paid, so he decided he's not too happy with Troy, and he who built the walls knows best how to destroy them too, so he is breaking down the walls of Troy. That does it for this video. We'll continue in the next one. Wale!